This project automates door access using face detection. It uses a camera to detect a face and triggers a servo motor to open the door if a face is recognized. If no face is detected, an LED is activated to indicate restricted access. The camera captures live video and uses OpenCV to detect faces. When a face is detected, Python sends a command via serial communication to the Arduino. The Arduino activates the servo motor to open the door. If no face is detected, the LED lights up to indicate no entry. The system continuously monitors for face detection and controls the door accordingly.